Okay, I think we can start. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the new webinar on the topic of Simplify Success Stories. I have already introduced myself last time, but for the new participants, my name is Marko Pantic, and I'm head of RPA and Process Department and Simplify. Today, I am excited to share some success stories from the banking and insurance industries. So we will explore some real life examples where our solution have had a notable impact, enhancing efficiency and customer satisfaction. So let's begin. Here is what we have for today. Our first case today showcases how we digitalized the customer onboarding process in one bank. Next, we will explore how our RPA solution streamlined claims processing for an insurance company. And as a third case, we'll dive into how we automated credit report handling for a bank risk department, eliminating some manual tasks and saving processing time for that purpose. Finally, at the end, it will be like last time. It will be your turn to join conversation during our Q&A session, and I believe we will have some question from your side that will help to explain in more detail the case that I will present today. So let's jump into our first case. Our first case story for today brings us to the challenge faced by our client, one of the largest banks in the region, with their customer onboarding process. The existing process was fraught with inefficiencies. It was time-consuming, reliant on physical documentation for signatures, involved some long waiting periods, and was prone to frequent processing errors. And these challenges resulted in a high level of customer dissatisfaction and posed the risk of losing potential new clients for the bank. And to tackle this challenge, we took hands-on approach and went deep to day-to-day operations. We started by using DMake methodology, structured approach for process improvement. We began by spending time in each branch, shadowing the employees, observing every step of customer onboarding process. And this allowed us to truly understand the pain points and bottlenecks that were causing issues in processing. During this phase, we have measured each aspect of the process, from time it took to fill out the paperwork to the number of visits clients had to make to the bank. Basically, we wanted to ensure that our solution would address every issue. And armed with wealth of data and insight, we embarked on the design of our solution. And our goal here was clear: to create an onboarding application that would make the process seamless, efficient, and most importantly, customer friendly. What was the result? The result here was user-friendly application that transformed the onboarding journey for clients. Now, instead of huge volume of paperwork, clients could simply upload their documents online from the comfort of their homes. And this not only saved them time, but also eliminated the frustration of multiple trips to the bank. One of the standout features of that application was its intelligence error checking capabilities. We knew that accuracy was crucial, so we designed checks that flagged any potential mistakes before they became issues. And this ensured that the entire process was not only smoother, but also more accurate than ever before. And for the bank, the benefits were clear. The onboarding application became key tool in attracting new clients. And in the end, what started as a challenge became an opportunity for transformation. The new process, the onboarding application, not only improved efficiency, but also create happier, more satisfied clients who felt confident in their choice of the bank. And it was a win-win for everyone involved, and a true testament to the power of innovative solution in the banking industry. Now let's break down to the metrics and to the real results. First KPI, number of branch visits. Prior to the implementation of the onboarding application, customers typically had to make 3 visits to the bank to complete the onboarding process. And this was not only time consuming for customers, but also posed challenges in terms of scheduling, coordination in the bank. So with the introduction of the application, the number of required visits has been reduced to just 1. And customers now can complete the entire onboarding process in a single visit, streamlining their experience and saving time. Second KPI, number of documents for signing. In the new process that we have designed, we have significantly reduced the amount of paperwork required from customers. Before its implementation, customers had to sign 39 pages of documents, and with the new process, the entire process has been condensed to just 1 page of documents for signing. At the end, one of the KPIs is also duration of this process. Previously, customers spent an average of 70 minutes navigating through the steps and paperwork that is involved, and this process often led to frustration and delays. And with the streamlined digital process offered by the application, the duration has been slashed to less than 25 minutes. In the end, implementation of this onboarding process resulted in a remarkable improvement in customer satisfaction levels, and customers appreciated that convenience of submitting documents online, the reduction of paperwork, and this and their experience led to happier clients, but also contributed to increased loyalty and retention rates for the bank. And this successful implementation of the onboarding process showcases how innovative technology can transform traditional banking processes, and that's the key message in this case. Okay, let's go to the next challenge. Our next story brings us to the challenge faced by an insurance company in their daily claims payout process. This process involved large number of steps, including verifying claim details, transferring information from one system to another, navigating through lengthy waiting periods for actual payout of claims. And these inefficiencies resulted in extended processing time, but also increased the risk of errors in the process. And moreover, they generated a significant level of frustration among both customers awaiting their payouts and employees managing the whole process. So what we have done here, our team introduced tailored robotic process automation. We call it Claims Payment Bot. The Claims Bot was designed to automate the verification of approved claims in one system, transfer the required information to another system, and efficiently generate a file for the automated payment process. And once a claim was approved, ClaimsBot validated the details, extracted necessary information, and initiated the payment process without any manual intervention. And furthermore, that bot enabled seamless flow of data between systems, ensuring that all necessary information was transmitted. And this reduced the risk of discrepancies and inconsistencies that were previously common in a manual data entry. Also, that bot played a crucial role in compliance management by generating comprehensive reports on claims and providing real-time updates on the payment statuses. And this offered valuable insights into the overall claims processing efficiency. So let's go to the metrics. Previously, 10 employees in each individual department dedicated 3 hours daily to the claims payout process. And this amounted to a total of 30 hours daily spent on this manual task. With the implementation of the Claims Bot, this process is now fully automated. The bot saves 30 hours daily, allowing these managers to redirect their time and expertise to more strategic initiatives within the company. And basically, it reduces the workload equivalent to 4.5 full-time employees monthly. That means that valuable manpower is now redirected from routine, time-consuming tasks to some more value-added activities. And one important thing to stress out here, processing time reduction. Since the implementation of the bot, the insurance company has experienced a notable 50% decrease in processing times for claims. And this translates to faster payouts for customers and improving their overall satisfaction. Okay, let's go to the next challenge. Our final success story for today takes us to the challenges that faced during the implementation of the new software in the risk department of a bank. A significant challenge emerged due critical functionality gap that is specifically related to inability to read credit reports from the national bank. And this gap required hiring of a large number of employees for manual data entry and transcription to manage the volume of credit reports. And compounding the issue, there was an urgent deadline for processing, as the new software needed to be operational within 2 months. And this was red light for the management that needed some solution that can be that needs to be implemented. What we have done here, we have developed sophisticated robot that is equipped with advanced optical character recognition capabilities. And this robot was designed to extract all necessary information from the credit reports and input it into the new system, completely eliminating the need for manual data typing and hiring of additional personnel. And that bot efficiently breached the functionality gap and ensuring a smooth and error-free integration of credit reports into the new bank system. So let's explore the concrete metrics showcasing the success of this solution. First, number of credit reports for processing. The bank risk department had to manually process volume of 10,000 credit reports, and this was time-consuming, labor-intensive task requiring, as I said, significant manpower and resources. And with the introduction of the robot, this number has been reduced to zero because a robot handled the entire workload of processing and freeing up that human employees. So as I said, processing 10,000 credit reports manually would have required the engagement of approximately 10 full-time employees working tirelessly for 34 days that we have calculated. And with the implementation of the robot, the entire workload was swiftly completed. And this reduction not only significantly increased efficiency, but also enabled the bank to implement the software on time without any delays in deployment. So thanks to the RPA solution, there were no bottlenecks or waiting periods, ensuring timely implementation of the new core platform in the bank. Regarding the duration, so as I said, 34 working days would be needed to process that volume of 10,000 credit reports, and now with the RPA, with the bot that handled the task, the duration has been condensed to just 40 working hours. So this was something that was truly big success because we succeed to implement everything on time that was beneficial for the client. Okay, that will be all for today from my side. These are just some examples from these industries. We have many more, and I hope we will have opportunity to present it in the next sessions. Now, I invite you to ask any questions you may have regarding presented stories or any other possibilities and cases in mentioned industries. Okay, if there is no questions, feel free to reach out anytime. We will be here for you to present everything in more details and to help you to basically to handle all issues that you have in processing regarding these indices. See you on the next session, and have a nice day. Bye bye.